Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and this is a quick announcement for a new version of Google Chrome web browser. And one of the reasons why I am announcing it is mostly because of the security aspect of the Chrome browser. So there was a huge security flaw already that we knew from last week that, of course, you had an update to fix it. But if you haven't seen that video, or if you haven't updated, well, at least update to the latest Chrome version. You'll have even more security fixes. So here goes. If you want to update, well, I hope you update your Google Chrome browser, because there's a lot of security fixes in here, including some really critical or high risk updates or security flaws within Chrome. There are quite a lot of security updates in this version of 73. Go into the upper right corner in your Google Chrome browser. Go into Help, and here go to About Google Chrome. If you're not updated already, you should see it update itself to version 73, which is a good idea. There isn't that much new features in here, some for developers. The main new feature, apart from the bug fixes, is dark theme. Now, there's a dark mode. If you're in Windows, well, yeah, you're going to have to wait a little more. But according to the Google team, it's apparently going to be very, very soon. If you're on Linux, if you're on Mac OS, if you're on Android, of course, the dark theme for the Google Chrome browser is now available. In Mac OS, all you have to do is enable the dark mode within your operating system. It will automatically trigger the dark mode for Google Chrome. In Windows, it's soon to arrive, and it will obey the dark mode switch of Windows 10. So if you're in dark mode, it should actually basically at some point be a dark mode or a dark themed Google Chrome browser. Like I said, lots of bug fixes, amazing, and mostly security fixes. A really big list of security fixes, actually. So lots of stuff to, make sure you want to stay safe. Update to Chrome 73. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our video.